Hiya, it's Gary from Designer Walls. I'm up here in Huddersfield with a good mate Andy Pullen from TechVision, and we're just preparing our stand for the, what show is it again, Andy?
It's the Homebuilding Renovating Show, the Excel in London, 24th of September.
Right, okay. So what we've got here, on my behalf, we've got this walk-in bathroom out where it's called the Twin Line 2, and we're going to take this show and we're going to show it with Andy's mirror TV that's going to go in the bathroom. Tell us a little bit more about it, Andy.
So we're going to put a TV at the end of the bath, which is a 28-inch LG with a black screen to match with the marbling, and then we'll fit a sound system. We've fitted a sound system.
We have actually, yeah.
So already this wall, we've excited this wall, and this wall panel will be the speaker for the television that we're putting in.
And the thing about that is also, you've no like speakers in the ceiling, you know, and like part of a retrofit that I'm going to offer, we're going to try and include all these bits and the goodies from Andy. So if you come around this other side, okay, so again, so what we decided, come on Andy, come on. So what we've also decided to do is for the trade shows of the future now, we're going to be looking at design-led products. And Andy's going to create us this, well, a bit bespoke, Andy, won't it?
So on this wall, we're going to do a round brass aged mirror TV. So it'll be a 32-inch TV sat in a round brass frame, and we'll backlight it and show Gary's wall to his best.
And vice versa. And the thing is, Andy, being the man he is, will make it to any size you want. So listen, come and see us. Look at our webs, because I think we can get some free tickets, can't we?
We still get free tickets.
We get free tickets. Just give us a nod and we'll get it.
We'll see you there.
We'll see you there.